we go. Nothing to see here. Excited for the movie? Yep.
Nope. You can't take this inside. Alrighty. Go on in.
Thanks.
Hold it! Care to explain this? It's quite the collection.
Aw, busted. Don't mind if I do.
Huh? Aw, dusty, are we? I can take care of that.
Oh no, not the feather duster! Achoo!
What was that? Oh boy!
I'm bored in here. Land food, please. Bingo! This mermaid's feasting tonight. You didn't see a thing.
Oh man! Hey, where'd she go? Something's fishy. No way, my confiscated snacks! All gone. What's going on in there? Whoa! Help me! No! Alright, hand it over. Enjoy the film.
Please?
Hi there. Nope. Give it.
I'm toast. Or am I? Hi there. See ya.
Oh, I don't think so. They never learn.
How am I gonna pull this off? Hello there.
Care to explain?
Oh, sure. I'll get rid of it. Don't worry about me, okay? Wait. I've got it! I'm so brilliant! Classic, right? Just one, please. How do you do?
That hair.
Hey! No touching. I'm a fan. See?
Very nice. What's it made of?
Hey! Care for a waltz? Just like the olden days. Yep.
I can't say that I have.
So smooth. So graceful. Whoops.
What just happened?
What did I miss? Not much, I hope. Whoa, that's awesome! No way! So cool! Wow! Care to share? Hey, did you leave anything for me? Glad you like it. At least I got some.
Hello there, folks. What do you have there, little guy? Aren't you darling? Even so, no candy allowed.
Oh dear! You took his candy!
Rules are rules. Enjoy the show.
Hello there. Just one ticket for the two of us. Get it?
You're having a baby?
Oh, please don't touch it.
Uh-oh. You lied! How could you do that? I trusted you!
Don't be dramatic. I really need my snacks. Maybe I just need to go further. Yep, that's just it. I may not be with child, but I do have a food baby. Aw, isn't it cute? Hush, sweetie.
Enjoy the show. What's this?
I couldn't find a sitter.
Oh.
She's sleeping. Please.
Oh, I understand. Please, go in.
Excuse me. Of course. All that pretending sure makes a gal hungry. Potato chip, anyone?
Oh, those go great with Skittles.
Oh, you get it, Mama. Aw, man. Hey, I think I see him. Bingo.
Hold it.
Okay. All good?
Don't talk. Alright, open up.
Ugh, I was so close. There. You happy?
I am, yeah. And what are you packing, huh? Turn around. Fine. Well. Nothing. We'll see about that. Wait, no, not in there. Oh, yes. Here we go. Oh, color me shocked. The entire snack aisle is in here. And a cockroach! Help! Get it? I feel like it's on me! Are you kidding me? Get a grip. Oh, it's so close.
Is someone scared of a little bug?
It's like my worst nightmare. Please spare me.
Scared of a bug, are we? Hey, he's getting away. That's just it. I'm going in. It's showtime, people. Things are about to get crazy up in here. Buckle up. Can I help?
What? I don't know.
I heard screaming. You've got bugs, right?
Oh yes! Help, please!
Say no more. This thing will be gone in no time. Yep.
All done? Wow! I could just hug you! Oh, go on in. No more spray.
How kind of you.
Ooh, that stuff's intense.
What's all this? Don't worry about it. Time to get my snack on. What? No way! Whoa! Can I? This is my private stash. Can I have just one? Yeah, just one! Alright, just one, okay? Those hands had better be clean. Yay! Yikes. One please.
Oh yeah? Hiding any snacks by chance? 'Cause it looks like you are.
No.
Oh yes. Yes!
No, don't!
Okay, gimme! Come on!
Hey! My purse! Okay, I get it.
Next up.
Just one ticket, please. No way!
You can read.
Ugh, fine. What a bummer.
Those nails! Wow!
Just got him done.
Have fun in there. I love her.
She's a nail girly? Let me nail this then. One mani coming right up. I'm in the mood for a little pink. With sprinkles, obviously. It's giving cupcake realness. Good enough to eat. Hey there! Just one, please.
Those nails!
Oh, you like them? I was going for a sweet as sugar vibe.
So cute! I'm in love. Enjoy the show. Bye, girl.
Excuse me. Did I miss anything? Snack time. Delicious. Tastiest nails I've ever had. Hey there!
You've gotta be joking.
That obvious? BRB.
Hello. What's up?
Your jacket, sir?
Oh, I got it. Sure. Oh my! You're good. Yeah, thought so.
Scared of a dog? Sounds good to me. I'll be snacking in no time. Get in there, little guy. Where's the… Oh.
Huh? Is that a dog?
Whoa, boy! He's not normally like this.
What's wrong with him? How strong is that thing? Just go, okay? Oh, goodness.
Pardon me. I'm so sorry. That's a good boy. Ooh, don't worry. All better. Chip, anyone?
No way!
Have at it.
Delightful. Alright, one at a time, folks. Let's see. If you're hiding anything, I'll see it. Whoa. Interesting purse. Very interesting. Bye-bye!
Aww. Yikes. Well, no snacks here.
I'll be the judge of that. A cowboy hat to the theater, huh? Suspicious. What's that? Out! Now!
Fine. Ooh. Hi there.
Not so fast. You hoarding candy accessories too? Never seen a belt like that before. Give me that!
Let me explain. I just… Whatever. She thinks she's slick? Think. Of course! Why wear a belt when I have cute shoes like these? Now we're talking. Platforms are so in right now. And so are shoe snacks. Let's try this again, shall we? It's go time!
I don't know about you. What am I missing? You can go. Thanks.
I'm back!
So I see. What else am I about to see? Any candy?
Nope. None here. See?
Interesting. Go on.
Thank you!
Uh-huh.
Oh good, a seat. I sure am hungry. Come to mama.
Ooh, what stinks?
He'll get over it. Ooh!
Gum? Oh wow! Can I get a piece? Thanks!
My pleasure.
Best movie ever!
Listen, I've got nothing on me, okay?
Nothing, huh? Well, don't want this stuff to go to waste.
Seriously? Awesome! Thanks!
I'm not all bad.
Wait, is this where the movie is?